100 years later, the life of the Negro is still sadly crippled by the manacles of segregation and the chains of discrimination.
For generations, we have known of knowledge's infinite power, yet somehow we have never questioned the keeper of the keys, the guardians of information. Unfortunately, I've seen more dividing and conquering in this order of operations, a heinous miscalculation of reality.
Ye have heard that it hath been said, Thou shalt love thy neighbor and hate thine enemy. I say unto you, love your enemies, bless them that curse you.
Dr. King was the passionate voice that awakened the conscience of a nation and inspired people all over the world.
I have some very sad news for all of you, and that is that Martin Luther King was shot and was killed tonight.
Know that a lot of people fought hard and a lot of people died to ensure that we as a people move forward and not backwards.
I have a dream that one day this nation will rise up, live out the true meaning of its creed. We hold
these truths to be
self-evident that all men
are created equal. That they are endowed by their Creator with certain inalienable rights. That among these are life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness.
Don't just aspire to make a living. Aspire to make a difference.
If I have learned anything in my time traveling the world, it is the power of hope. The power of one person, a Washington, a Lincoln, King, Mandela, and even a young girl from Pakistan, Malala. One person can change the world by giving people hope. It matters not your gender, your ethnic or religious background, your orientation, or your social status. Our struggles in this world are similar, and the lessons to overcome those struggles and to move forward, changing ourselves and changing the world around us, will apply equally to all.
There is not a black America and a white America and Latino America and Asian America. There's the United States of America. We are one people, all of us pledging allegiance to the Stars and Stripes.
In spite different culture background, different religious faith, or different race, we're all the same human being.
Now let me say finally that we have difficult days ahead, but I haven't despaired. Somehow I maintain hope in spite of hope, and I've talked about the difficulties and how hard the problems will be as we tackle them. But I want to close by saying that I still have faith in the future. And I still believe that these problems can be solved. And so while the law may not change the hearts of men, It can and it does change the habits of men. We will be able to hew out of the mounting of despair a stone of hope. With this faith, we will be able to speed up the day when all of God's children, black men and white men, Jews and Gentiles, Protestants and Catholics, will be able to join hands and live together as brothers and sisters all over this great nation. That will be the day when the morning stars will sing together and the sons of God will shout for joy. Thank you.